Welcome to BeVA. Today we are flying over Timmons Grove Park, located near Albion, Iowa. This episode was flown on July 25th of 2022 and is the third of a 5-part series for places near or on the Iowa River in Marshall County. The bridge that we are approaching is the crossing of Iowa Highway 330 over the Iowa River. In the far distance, it might be difficult to see, but there is an old, abandoned railroad bridge that crosses the Iowa River. At the time of this recording, there are plans to build a bike trail over the former railroad line that once used the bridge. Thank you for watching BeVA. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, a share, or both. If you want to get notifications on new videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon. Be sure to check out our other videos on the channel.